Hello, Miss Newman. I received your question. I brought up your question here. It's compound interest formula, compute the total amount accumulated, and the interest earned. You have a principal of $3,500 for 4 years, 2.4% compounded monthly. And I looked at the work you sent me, and you seem to recognize the formula. It's the principal times quantity 1 plus the rate over the number of times compounds per year, which is one's monthly, ends 12, which you recognize. Where your problem seems to come up with maybe is it's not times NT, but it's raised to the NT power. And so ends 12 and time is 4 years. And so here I've gone ahead and put it in. The principal's 3,500, the rate's to 2.4% converted to decimal over 12 to the power of 12 times 4. And so you emailed me this. The only error I could see is you were wanting to multiply by 48 instead of raise it to a power, which is a whole lot different. Depending on the type of calculator you have, to take care of this part here, you're going to have to type in like 1.002. Maybe you have a caret button on your calculator, and then you hit 48 and enter. Or you may have an X to Y button or Y to an X button. Okay, it's not multiplication. That's where the problem is. So I'm going to type this in my calculator. I'm going to take 1.002 and raise it to the 48th power. Let's see, 1.002. I raise that to the 48th power. I get like 1.1 something. Let's see, let me move this up here. And so I have A equals 3,500 times 1.1006. Gives me a lot of digits. I'll leave those digits in there and multiply it by 3,500. And I get 3852.29. So that's, I guess, how much you're going to end up with is $3,852.29. I guess the original investment was $3,500. So if you want to calculate the interest, you would subtract the $3,500 from it, and the amount of interest would be $352.29. It was a two-part problem. Hope this helps.